the solution to this example. Let's just get it into Power Query. Okay, if you look here, you'll see that we do have some dates, but there's something a little bit funny happening here. So it seems to have recognized some dates, then sometimes it's not a date. You can see that by the any. And the sales, that looks like it's correct. Probably want to have decimals here, so I'm just going to change this type here to be a decimal number. We'll say replace current, I don't mind. And this one here, I want that to be a date, so I'm going to go and make it a date. And you'll see in this case it now seems to have recognized it. So let's just make sure, first of the first, so when we get here, 13th. So this looks all fine, and in this case it looks like Power Query has identified it and correctly done it. So in my case, nothing needs to be done. Depending on your date settings, you may have to work through it to create a valid date.